think I can trust you, but I'm trying to figure out for
What's up, fucking pussies? Let's get the fucking send going today. Sniff, sniff, boys.